Moment of truth. Not even f***ing close! Angry Dave here. Today, we'll be installing some shoe molding upstairs. I installed the floors up there probably like 7 months ago and just not getting around to it. So let's see if I can do it right or if I'm gonna fuck it up. All right, so doing a quarter round, or in this case I have here shoe molding, it's pretty straightforward. You're just doing 45-degree cuts. Some people say for inside corners you need to do 44 degrees and 44 degrees, and outside corners do 46 and 46. Listen to me right now. Say it with me. Caulk and paint makes you the carpenter that you ain't. All right? 45-degree cuts, outside and inside. I'm gonna go ahead and make my first cut here. It's gonna be an inside corner. So I'm gonna bring it out to here. I'm gonna go ahead and make my first cut, and then I'm gonna go inside and I'll lay it in there, and then I'll start taking measurements off of that. But this will be, it's not gonna be too long for that first side that I need to do. So I'm just gonna trim the edge off right here. I just made an outside corner. God, come on, man. We're starting off really nice. Oh, that's great. Let's try that again, I guess. I'm retarded. I'm so dumb. Alright, that is an inside corner. Alright, so I've got my first cut right here. I've got it in the corner. So this is what's called an inside corner for obvious reasons. This is our top edge. This is the bottom edge. I'm gonna take all of my measurements off the top edge. I'm not doing any freaking math. All the measurements are from the top. So when I measure from this point, which is from this piece of trim, I'm gonna come all the way across to here and take that measurement, and I'm going from an inside corner to an inside corner. So I'm gonna take that measurement, and that's how long it is gonna be on the top edge. And I'm probably gonna fuck all this up, so just bear with me. All right, I got a new piece of trim. I'm gonna go ahead and make my first cut, and then we're gonna measure it. It's gonna be 60 and 5/8. Here we go. Let's make sure. That's good enough because I've got some caulk buildup from the last, when I removed the last piece of trim when I did the floors. So that's why it's not kind of sitting flush. So I'll have to cut all that off before I nail it in. But we're good so far. So far, so good. All right, so this piece is finishing at a door casing. A lot of guys will do these weird little like end pieces for like kind of cap it off, and it looks all cute. I don't care. I don't give a shit. We're just gonna cut it at a 45. I'm very surprised how smooth this is going so far. What the fuck is that? Literally, what angle is that? How am I supposed to cut that? Oh my God. It's a fucking 3-inch section that's like angled off like that. What was the literal point? Like, this entire house is a giant square. And then they do this shit on me? Oh, it's cute. It adds character. Shut the fuck up. All right, it's 68 3/4, whatever the hell that angle even is. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I really don't. I have a speed square, but it's only 90 degrees. That's over 90 degrees. I don't know how you're supposed to do that shit. Like, I'm doing 90s and 45s. My miter saw only cuts up to 45. Oh yeah, I fell through my ceiling. Don't worry about it. So I just watched this YouTube video, and it was how to cut wood trim at odd angles. And the first thing the guy said was, all you're gonna need is a digital protractor. I don't have a digital protractor. All I'm gonna need, what am I, just gonna pull one out of my ass? I don't have one. So, like, do I just leave it? I don't. It's a fucking 3-inch section. I think it might be easier to cut out that part of the wall and just make the door wider. So, I mean, at least if it was an outside corner, I could do something, put 2 pieces of wood, and it's an inside corner. I'm sick of this shit already. So I'm probably just gonna cut it at a 45 and just leave it where it lays. Hopefully no one will notice. So whatever. So what the hell did I say? 68 3/4. Shit. Fuck. $68 3/4. God. Shit. Stop. I just thought of something. The dude in the video was doing a bunch of freaking math with this weird, like, protractor, and it was like, oh, it's not as low tech as it looks. You know, it was 2 fucking clear sticks and a circle with lines on it. Anyway, he started doing this stupid formula on the screen, this math formula. That's when I clicked off. He was like, oh, you gotta take the angle, and then you gotta go to the reverse angle and triangulate it by the hypotenuse. He started throwing the pi symbol on the screen, and I just clicked off. But he said, he was like 135 was the angle, and it looked pretty similar to the angle in there. And he said something about, and I see a small line on here with red, it says 22.5 with little red lines. So I wonder if I do that, I don't know. I may be smoking crack here. Let's try it. I don't know. Let's go. Holy shit, I'm a genius. That actually might work. I think that might work. So, oh, sick. All right, let's measure this. Yeah, it's 3 inches, like I said. I guess I really know what 3 inches looks like, don't I? All right, here's my 22.5 I'm gonna cut. Close enough. Moment of truth. Not even fucking close! Fuck! Honestly, that's kind of cockable though. What do y'all think? Honestly, I'd cock that. It's also too long. What kind of freaking angle even is this? Dude, that's even dumber than the last one. It's like they tried to make it 90 and they were drunk. Okay, I actually have figured it out. I have a really easy solution for this. Move on to that and finish the rest. All right. Yeah, straightforward, whatever. All right. Actually, that kind of looks retarded. I don't like that at all. I literally hate that. Oh my god. I don't like it. I'm leaving it. Because I can't be bothered. Evidently I can, but whatever. Alright, I think I'm going to finish what I started earlier, which was down there. If y'all remember, the very first piece. So when you get... Sorry about all the movement. I haven't learned how to be a cameraman. Here, we're going nude, taking you off the tripod. So when you buy like quarter round and shit, and like base shoe, it comes in like these segments. So you can see, it like, kind of, what's that joint? See, I'm not a carpenter, I don't know the names of the joints. It looks like a damn puzzle, whatever. So like it kind of broke, so I'll have to get that piece that joins into there. So I'll measure off of this right here. You can't see my fat ass finger. And then we'll go and make an inside corner down yonder. Yeah. With this one, inside corner to the flat. I just got done deleting like 20 gigabytes worth of useless shit off my phone so I can continue filming this video for you assholes. Alright, here's the last of the big pieces, and then we gotta do that little stuff. Oh my god! I cut an outside corner on a fucking inside piece. Sick of it! This one was not cockable. Alright, I've got the good piece. Yay. 1 and like 20 lines. Oh, so crisp. Yeah. What even the hell is that? Oh my god. Bro. And it's too short. It's 6 1/4. Ain't no damn 6 1/4, God! My God. Oh my God. Okay, last piece. Last piece. Good enough. Do your best and cock the rest, fellas. All right. Oh my God, I hate this. Ugh. I fucking hate quarter round. Ooh, you should have undercut your baseboards. Shut up. All right, here I've got a brad nailer. Got 18 gauge, 1-inch brad nails. Comment if your name is Brad. Here we go. Gonna do like 3 or 4. Don't want to go at an angle. You want to go straight on, so you actually make contact with the baseboard. There we go. That's one down. Oh, great. Well, that's gonna have to be caulked. I try to make sure it's contacting the floor, so kind of push down on it. They sell these at Harbor Freight for like, I think I got this for like 40 or 50 bucks. Don't quote me on that. If it's wrong, I'll put it up on the screen. This was insanely cheap, and it does the job just fine. So if you just need to do some basic work in your house, like quarter round or shooting in like a window casing, and you don't need one for like professional work, do not go out and buy a Milwaukee or even like a battery powered one. If you got a little pancake air compressor, one of these is perfect. I have a 20 gallon, but you don't need one that big. How do you know you're hitting the studs? I'm not. The baseboards are driven into the studs. This little piece of wood doesn't need to be hitting the studs. Go yourself. Harbor Freight, go get one. I ain't caulking this shit today. You got me fucked up. So yeah, that's the base shoe for you. It looks okay, I guess. So I'll post a little short on caulking it, another day. But it's dinner time, and I want to get this edited and posted for y'all. So like and subscribe so I can pay somebody to do this for me next time. I'm trying to make some money here. See ya.